you never really finish building stone walls. First of all, new rocks are always coming out of the ground. They seem to grow like potatoes. And so you take the new rocks that you see and you may want to build something new. And then also, even a well-built wall requires maintenance. Deer kicks over a rock or a tree limb falls on it. And so that's what we're going to do today. I have a section of wall that had collapsed and I need to make the repair. And whenever I move rocks, there's two Greeks that I'm always thinking about. One is real and one is mythological. The real one, of course, is Archimedes, who said, "Give me a lever and a place to stand, I can move the world." The one I more often refer to, though, is Sisyphus, who was the mythological Greek king who was punished. His punishment was to move a big rock up a hill, and just as he got to the top, it came rolling down. He had to push it all the way back up, and he was sentenced to do this for eternity. And sometimes I feel I can relate a little bit more to Sisyphus than Archimedes. But anyway, also you should think about Isaac Newton. Very important. Rocks tend to roll downhill. And so this one is going to be an easy one because I'm going to move it downhill. But then it'll become more problematic. We'll have to use some applied physics in order to move it where we want to. Okay, now the other one I showed you was more or less easy because I was going downhill or on the level. This one, unfortunately, needs to go uphill. So this is where we use another applied physics. This is the winch and the come along. People hate living in New England because of all the rocks. I look at it as free building material. I don't think I'd like to live in Kansas or someplace where it's flat and sandy. Okay, we're just about done here. Finished putting this one in place. That had been way up on the hill. Moved it down, rolled it into place, and you can see where the come along had been used to put it in place. I scooched it a few times with the crowbar, and now it's just the finishing touches. I always like to have some nice flat rocks around to kind of dress it up a little bit. And I think we're about done.